A very good morning to the respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I, Mayank of class 12A, is going to present a presentation on the occasion of World Eco Club Day. Today I am going to present a story through which I am going to convey my message to all of you. So let's begin with it. So the title of our story is Get Back Karma with Little. Yeah, it seems to be bilingual, but it was an attractive title, so I used it. It was the era of technology. The humans were aggressively moving towards the development. The new researches and inventions were being done for having more comforts and making life more easy. But in this haze of technology, they forgot to care about the environment. All of them were pretending to be smart and educated, but in this haze, they forgot that they are living in a world which is created by this environment. Even the body they have is made by the five elements of this nature, that is earth, water, fire, air, and space. And not only a body, but the whole universe is made up of this. So, the destruction of nature was seen everywhere. People were cutting forest and tree for their habitat and in search of gold and diamonds. For the habitat of their own, they were snatching the habitat of other species. The pollution was at its peak, as you can see in the images. The industrial waste was thrown in rivers, which made that untidy and also harmful. And this was also shown by the peoples. No one was caring for environment. The use of polluting vehicles and the excessive use of mobile phones was creating danger in birds' life. The land pressure was also increased. No trees were seen near the shelter of population. They were disrespecting the nature. And I have tried to show the whole all incidents in these images, so you can imagine what was the condition. They forgot that the nature which has made everything is strong and capable enough to balance itself. Then a harmful disease came into existence which affected human life in very large number. It was a virus which was spreading enormously named coronavirus. It stopped the running life of people and people were stuck in their houses. They even can't get out of their houses. It was suggested to wear mask while going out of house, and even in many cases they have to wear it in their own house and have to keep distance from their housemates. People were dying in huge numbers. It was seen at many places that the woods were not available to complete the funerals. The oxygen cylinders were being sold at very high prices as lack of availability was shown, and many such things were happened, like it was a type of black marketing. But it was seen that the pollution was reduced and a fresh smell of atmosphere was observed. The nature was healing and the wounds were clotted. A good spirit was seen in flora and fauna. The untidy rivers were seen to be clean at an effective level. The beauty of nature was coming again, and the story goes on. So, what we learn from this story? Let's come to the moral of the story. We should always care for those who has given this life or the way or a part to live this life, whether it be any person, thing, or our nature. This body is made by this nature, and one day it's going to be absorbed by this nature. So, respect the nature to make the acceptance of your soul by this nature. We should never misuse the resources provided by the nature as they are revered. Now, there is an appeal to you all, not a message, an appeal. Care for this nature. It's a precious part of your life. Support the government initiatives. Be a part of National Green Corps. If not for the nature, do for your own self to protect your family and to save your future generations. Never support the wrong work. Aware the public of a country as you are the leader of tomorrow. Like if you see anyone throwing garbage here and there, and if you see anyone doing wrong work like deforestation or anything, so you should stop that. Make a happy, healthy, and joyful community with nature. give you some time to it. As we see people give their time in unusual things, in watching unusual videos. So I think except doing that, we should give time here. Nothing will happen by posting on social media. You have to come in front and have to take a step, as it always starts from zero. So, last but not the least, with some beautiful thoughts, let's end our presentation. The thoughts which states that we have forgotten how to be good guests, how to walk lightly on earth as its other creatures do. Yes, we are the guest of this earth. We are not permanent here, we are temporary. So, we have forgotten how to be good guests. So, remember to be a good guest. Second, if you really think the environment is less important than the economy, try holding your breath while you count your money. I repeat, if you really think the environment is less important than the economy, try holding your breath while you count your money. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.